Hello squids, squidettes and my little chappies. Let me ask you this. Have you ever made a mistake on your bike that left your heart racing? We've all been there. Moments where a split-second decision or oversight could have gone really wrong. But don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're talking about 10 common riding mistakes that almost every motorcyclist make at some point. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to avoid them, from rookie errors to habits even experienced riders fall into. These tips can save your ride and maybe even your life. So grab your helmet and let's hit the throttle. Let's start with a basic one. Mistake 1. Skipping pre-ride inspections. Many riders skip checking their bike before heading out. A quick look at your tires, brakes and fluid levels could save you from a breakdown, or worse, a first-class ticket to Jannah. How to avoid it? Well, get in the habit of doing a pre-ride check every time. Look at tire pressure, brake function, chain tension and lights. It only takes a minute and ensures your bike is road ready. Mistake number 2. Riding without full gear. It's tempting to ride in just a t-shirt and jeans on a hot day, but riding without proper gear is a huge mistake. Plus, riding without moderately appropriate gear can really make your survival chances fall really slim. So if you want to make sure you have all your skin for the next time you do mistakenly fall, make sure you invest in good protective gear: helmet, gloves, jacket, pants and boots. I can already see some of you saying, but it's going to be so warm wearing all that gear. Shut the up. You're watching this video, which means you want to stay safe, and to stay safe you need the right gear. Remember, it's not just about surviving a crash, it's about minimizing injuries. Think of it as your insurance on the road. Mistake number 3. Not practicing emergency braking. When something unexpected happens, knowing how to stop safely is crucial. Many riders panic and slam the brakes, causing skids, popping dank rear wheelies or losing control. How to avoid it? Practice emergency braking in a safe and open area. Learn how your bike reacts when you brake hard. Use both brakes smoothly and progressively, and keep practicing until it feels natural. Mistake number 4. Overconfidence in wet conditions. Rain changes everything: visibility, traction and your bike's handling. Overconfidence in wet conditions leads to more accidents than you think. To avoid this, just slow down, increase your following distance, avoid sudden inputs like hard braking or quick turns, and remember, painted lines and metal surfaces are extra slippery when wet. Mistake 5. Riding in blind spots. Many riders forget that cars have blind spots, and staying in them can lead to dangerous situations. To avoid this, stay visible, avoid lingering in a driver's blind spot, and when passing, do it quickly and decisively. Also, use bright gear or reflective tape to increase your visibility. Mistake number 6. Poor cornering techniques. Misjudging a corner, either entering too fast or braking mid-turn, can lead to a disaster. How to avoid it? Approach corners at manageable speed. Slow down before the turn, lean into it, and gently roll on the throttle as you exit. Trust your bike, it's designed to corner effectively if you let it. And if you want a more detailed video on this topic, you can check out this video on the top left hand corner or check the link in the description below. Mistake 7. Not using counter steering. Here's a technique many riders don't fully understand. Counter steering. Pushing the handlebar in the opposite direction of your turn helps you navigate curves and avoid obstacles. How to avoid it? Practice counter steering in a safe area. Push slightly on the handlebar in the direction you want to lean and feel how the bike responds. Mastering this will make your riding smoother and safer. You can also learn how to counter steer by clicking the link in the description or checking out the video on the top left hand side of the screen. Mistake 8. Following too closely. Tailgating isn't just annoying, it's dangerous, especially on a bike where you need more reaction time. To avoid it, keep at least a 2-second gap between you and the vehicle ahead. In bad weather or heavy traffic, increase it to 3 or 4 seconds. This gives you time to react to sudden stops or debris on the road. Mistake number 9. Not adjusting for passenger weight. Carrying a passenger changes your bike's balance, braking and acceleration. Failing to adjust for this can lead to wobbles or poor handling. You can easily avoid this by adjusting your suspension and tire pressure for the extra weight. Communicate with your passenger about leaning and braking, and also start slow to get a feel for the bike's behavior. And last but finally, mistake number 10, letting ego get in the way. Finally, ego can be a rider's worst enemy. Trying to keep up with the faster riders or show off can lead to risky behavior and poor decision making. How to avoid it? Ride your own ride, know your limits, and focus on your skills instead of comparing yourself to others. The goal is to enjoy the journey, not compete, you little squids, you little chapries. And there you have it, the 10 most common riding mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, riding is all about staying sharp, being prepared, and making smart decisions. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. If this video helped you out, give it a like, share it with your riding crew, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next ride.